What am I? You hear me? Yo, wrist up. Wrist up. Come on, man. You hear me? You see that youth here? When you see Ninja, man, you see Cobra. Me and you is like the same thing. When them see me today, I murder them. You see, anyhow. Gagan, me don't need that argument. From Sting, you go on like you want this. I murder you now.
All right, hold on.
No only for talking, reading, Papa.
Yo, hold on. Watch this now. Watch this. Now, a whole lot of things are going on, and we want the unity, we want the verbal confrontation, but out of friendly rivalry. See? We don't want to blow.
Yo, big man. I'm me and ninja this. Yo, I'm going to pass my gun. Yo, this blood clot. I'm going to come off my stage. I'm going to shoot up in here.
Listen, Cobra get the Gargan cross, angry and miserable. As you know, Ninja and Gargan had a few confrontation verbally. Ninja hang when him Cobra over Sting 1 year, and Cobra hang Ninja one different place, but Ninja was under the influence according to Ninja. And I believe this is the show. So before we get into it, just like a video for me. Yeah. Now let's watch, laugh, and end full joy.
Stable, alpha, stable.
Ouch, hold me out. Give my hat to the ouch. But go over there. Get there, Derek. Me say me no see mad Cobra. And him tell you real self I say I come finish it. Yeah, hear me give me some more volume in the mic because I kind of host here now. And I have man to go be able to finish the score. Give me some volume in my mic, so I'm saying. Ninja man just coming to town, and a boy won't call me clown. Boy, you should have cool, cause you know say Dan Gagan rule. Give me the get there, bada gun, I hit run the town. This bad man, you going dead like a clown. Bada gun, hear me gun sound. Big bad man, boy, make me tell them, cause when me gonna boss, I'm for this, them a go lose them brain. What they boy? You see the men that come, I shoot the run. You let it. Voila. Where you there? You ready? You want to this me and me go? To all your blood we run. You this Batman and Pierce Penchel whip. Gunshot over all wicked man not talk at all. Let me let you mix. They get shot me we got to the extreme. This me and me extension mother. Hold on, watch out. Go, Cobra. Yeah, me go. Cobra. Beat the world, bye-bye. From oversting you die. So from you this bad man, you walk up high. This me from the start. Hold that wrist of it. Hold it. My lad. Hold it. Lower. Nothing. People.
Who is he? Where he come from? Grab mic from the Gargan and interrupt in niceness. Like how me interrupt in niceness right now. Anyways, if you don't like the video, me go and enjoy 2 nuts. Peanut. I think Risco Benji or Benji Risco, him did come on stage when Ninja Man a beat Shabba Ranks with lyrics. And run off him out and Ninja run him off a stage with badness. Anyways, let's jump in it while me eat some peanuts.
Come out as a ninja.
My lad, people, are the world greatest DJ this fan stage. Slushy, I know that. And Cobra, Ninja, you're a DJ, yeah? And any try prove nothing against the Ninja, my lad. Y'all get a judgment.
Rista, leave the
So
stage.
my lad,
Rista,
my lad,
leave the stage.
y'all
Leave
get
the
a
stage,
judgment.
leave
Y'all
the
get
stage.
a judgment.
Leave the stage,
Deal
Papa.
with it, my lad.
Yo, bring the man to bench it. What? Move! Man, we bust your pussy, move!
Yo! Ninja, where you at? Hold on, Ninja. Hold on. Oh, yo, stop, boy. Hold on. People, no music gonna come up here. So, so some man a walk on past stage that talk this. No boy can't bad me up here, so no. I one way out, one way in, so a pussy can swim.
Yo, Ninja man.
Yo,
deal with it. Hey, monitor. I want you to fix the mic and stop this Ninja man. Fix the mic, no.
Yeah, me Cobra.
Yo, hold on, man. People come for here. Music. And music people come for here. So when the wife are talking, I go on with. Ninja deal with what you deal with.
Hold on me. Yeah, hear me?
Yo, Risto. Risto,
Come in, man. Yeah, hear me? You see that youth here? When you see Ninja, man, you see Cobra. Me and you is like the same thing.
when them see me today, I murder them.
You see, anyhow. Hold on.
Gagan, me don't idiot argument. From Sting, you go on like you want this. Me, I murder you now.
All right, hold on.
No only for talking. Read him, Papa.
Yo, hold on. Watch this now. Watch this. Now, a whole heap of things are going on, and we want the unity, we want the verbal confrontation, but out of friendly rivalry.
Yo.
See? We don't want to blow.
Yo, big man. Just
Yeah,
man.
man.
I'm
turn
me
on
and
the back.
ninja this. I'm me and ninja this.
Yo, I'm gonna pass my gun.
Yo.
Yo, this blood clot. I'm gonna come off my stage. I'm gonna shoot up in here.
Yo, talk, where you go? People want you.
Hold on.
Where you go? People want you, your DJ.
Ninja. Hold on.
People don't want you, my DJ. Where you go?
Derek, look here now.
DJ, man. Where you go?
The band is...
Yo, the show done. By the way, the video done, you know. I just a short one this and respect for watching. Like the video if you like it. There wasn't much, you know, the vibes wasn't right. Benji Risco, him always accompany the stage and I yap off him out like what I'm doing now. I interrupt the goddamn stage show and throw people off of the floor like what I do right now. Me always see the video and wonder who and why Ninja they cross and angry and miserable. Now watch the full video and see. And I thought Cobra they hang Ninja over here, so that's why Ninja they behave how he behave and I shorter clips them. But obviously not. Lyrics not even start fly like bomb. And speaking of Benji Risco, whatever I want to name, I know somebody gonna correct me. I'm here 100 times in this video. See clip here of him at Sting when Ninja hang Shabba Ranks over there with the rope, lyrically. And him come on stage run off him more. See me fine here. So we're gonna end the video with this one. So like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and per usual, stay safe. God bless.
No DJ anytime. Me Benji said that. Bad boy. Enough boy talk about badness and I'm a fool. Me, original jungle said that. Me no take back them talk.
Yo.
Me.
I don't want no guy come here and talk about bad boy. Me kick down that now. Me a bad man, gunman too.
Original.
No, nothing bad is fine. No, neither you, Shabba. No. Me is a bad boy. I'm going.
Original.
Bad
No
boy.
boy can.
Me a bad boy. Me say
No
no
boy
DJ
can
me
do
talk
my
this morning.
face.
No talk. No police can tell me the DJ me talk. Original gun gargan. Bad boy. What not tempo? Me love Shabba like how Jesus the because he was a fool and a disrespect man. Me kill that anytime, any DJ, anywhere, any month, any minute, any second, dead no. When them come. You want
Forward back tomorrow is the next Ninja Man video. That's all I gotta say. Sleep well or wake up, eat a breakfast, name your dinner, name your lunch. Me don't know what time it is when you watch this, but Stay safe. God bless.